Today at Secret Super Chef we have traditional Gajar Ka Halwa. Winters are here and so are the red carrots, and what better way to transform them into an amazing sinful halwa. Everyone has a different style of making the halwa. Do try this recipe. This is my sister's special Gajar Ka Halwa recipe, and believe me, you'll love it. Let's begin with the recipe. The main ingredient for this recipe are the carrots. These are the seasonal red carrots. Pick nice big firm carrots. Wash the carrots thoroughly and then peel them with the help of a peeler. Now gather everybody in the house and divide the work. With the help of a hand grater, let's grate the carrots. If you have a food processor, you can use that too. I'm more of an old school type, so I'll prefer grating them. While grating the carrots, make sure that you discard the yellow pit, the middle portion of the carrots. I have used around 1 kg of red carrots. So after you have peeled and grated them, you will be left around 3/4 kg of grated carrots. And this is the bigger size of the grater. The bigger side will make the work a little faster. The above mentioned are the ingredients and the measurements required for this halwa. Follow the same. Details are also mentioned in the description box. Now let's start with the preparations. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. Let the ghee melt on slow flame. Make sure to maintain the heat throughout the process. Once our ghee is hot, add the raisins, slivered pistachios, slivered almonds. Fry them for some time. You'll notice that the raisins have starting to pop up and the nuts have turned golden brown in color. Frying the dry fruits really gives a nice crunchy effect. Transfer them into a plate. Now in the same pan, add another 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add the 2 cardamoms that we had crushed before. Let it fry for a few minutes. To this, let's add our grated carrots. All we have to do is fry the grated carrots for 7 to 10 minutes. Do not add any extra ghee, it's not really required. All we are doing here is frying the grated carrots to remove the rawness. Continuously keep stirring them, otherwise they'll stick at the bottom. After almost 7 to 10 minutes, you'll notice that the carrots have started to change their color. And you'll also notice that the quantity has also shrunk a little bit. Just sauteing the carrots and removing as much moisture as possible. Now let's add 1 cup milk. Give a nice stir and let the carrots cook in the milk. Increase the heat of the gas to high and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, lower the flame and cover the pot. Let the carrots cook for almost 10 minutes. Keep stirring once or twice in between. At this point, you'll notice that the carrots are cooked. Now we'll add all our other ingredients. Add the condensed milk and stir. It's very crucial now to keep stirring continuously in between. Otherwise, the halwa will get burnt. Now I'm adding the Khoya or the Mawa. If you don't have, you can skip it. But it will add to the richness. You can even add some fresh cream. I'm also going to add some powdered almonds. This will really give a nice texture and flavor. Also, let's add the sugar here. Adjust the sweetness as per your taste. Since these carrots are already sweet and they tend to get more sweeter while cooking, so a lot of sugar is not really needed. I'm going to add the remaining ghee, that is another 2 tablespoons, and let the halwa saute on slow flame. in between, I'm going to keep stirring so that it does not stick at the bottom. After almost 25 to 30 minutes, you'll notice the ghee is starting to appear on the sides. Keep sauteing the halwa. Our halwa here is ready. Our final step is to sprinkle our fried dry fruits. Some people like a little more roasted halwa, so you can roast the halwa for 5 to 7 minutes more for that little more golden brown in color. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like our recipes, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.